welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create glossaries in your Microsoft Purview tool. So as soon as you log into your Microsoft Purview user interface, you will be able to see this data catalog. Click on that. Click on Manage Glossaries. Now here I have created a couple of glossaries. Let me just create new one for you. So let's create a glossary. So I'm going to create glossary. We have to assign the stakeholders. Okay. Okay, so in the first case, as soon as you create this new glossary, you will assign the stakeholders, stewards, and experts. This is a mandatory action that you have to take. So let's go ahead and create this first. I have successfully created the glossary. You can see here. Now let me just go ahead and quickly add the terms in it. So I will go ahead and create the terms. Now while creating the terms, you are having two options. You can use the system default or you can create your own template. I have seen in a lot many implementations in customer locations. Whenever we are creating the glossaries, there are a lot many extra fields that are required by customers as part of their glossary creations. They want to maintain lot much information as part of this. So let me just quickly show you first how you can have the new term template. Click on this new term template, and here you can add the different attributes. For example, if you see in our default template, you will be having a couple of fields, right? Let me just quickly go here, system default, and show you. You are having the name, parent name, and then the definition. And after that, it is just having acronyms, like what all acronyms. For example, if you're having customer, then acronym can be client, right? Similarly, here are a couple of more things. As part of status, you can have it as draft, approved, expired, or alert. This is to make sure that you are coordinating with your different stakeholders and getting it approved. Now, as part of my glossary creation, let's say there is a requirement where I want to make sure that a couple of extra fields are added as part of it. So let me just give it, okay, I will go ahead. And now here you can see it is saying that, if you're having extra attributes that you want to add, let me just give you, um, just for demo purpose, I'm going to create as a text field. I'm going to add one more attribute to it. Let me create it as a number field, which is integer, okay? I'm creating it. Now, as part of this new template that I've created, every time I'm going to create this glossary term using this new template, I will be able to see these two extra columns. So let me just quickly go ahead and create this template first. Okay, now uh, I will continue. Now here, if I once again go back to the glossaries, I'm going to create a new term. You can see here two options, system default and glossary term custom template. Okay, if I click on that, click on continue. Now you can see here it says that it's selecting two, which means that whatever system defaults are there, that will remain as it is. As part of our customization, we have added two extra fields. I will include them. So let's just go ahead and create it. I'm going to create something like master data. Okay, parent. There is no parent here. Definition if I want to give, acronyms if I want to give, and here are two attributes, attribute 1 and attribute 2. If you remember, I had given this as text. This one I had given numbers. So if I try to enter the string, it will not accept that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and create this. Now I've created this master data. Now under that, I want to create customer, right? I can go ahead again, go back to the glossaries, create new term. I'm going to use the, now I can use the system default itself. Okay, I can create here. Let's create customer. And in that, I want to have the parent as master data. Give some detail about that. I'm just giving a a random definition. It should be more clean. You can create this. Now I can go ahead and create one more. Inside the customer, I want to have the, let's say, first name, right? Or I can have the, yeah, let's create the first name. I'm again going to use the first, this one for customer. I'm going to, or I can have just the name under that. Now this one is following the hierarchy of, it is child of customer. I can give the, all right. Now if I want to give this acronyms, I can have client, but for this you must have this acronym already present into our purview. It is not there, so I will not be able to add this. Let's go ahead and create this. All right, now this thing is created. You can see this hierarchical view, glossaries. Under that, we are having master data. Under that, customer. Under that, we are having the name. Now, the good thing is here, not only this hierarchical view, if you want to have the table view also, you can have look it like that. Okay, let's quickly go to the glossaries. I can look at the terms now. You can see here, customer, master data, these two. And if I want to look at them in different view, instead of list view, I can have the hierarchical view also. Okay, now this is something that we have created now. Now, one more important thing here, you can see the statuses for all of them, right? They all are in draft status. I want to quickly change them to the approved status. I can quickly go here, click on approve, save it. Hope I have done for the customer, edit, approve it. I can go to the master data, again, edit, change it to approved ones. I'm just showing quickly this one to you without intervention of any other stakeholders. But generally, whenever you're going to work on something like this, you will be definitely coordinating with your other stakeholders and making sure that they are agreeing to this particular definitions or details that you're creating for them. Let's quickly go and look now. So you can see all these things are approved. So this is how you will be able to create the terms in your Microsoft Purview tool. Thank you so much for joining today's discussion.